I did back lever and front lever training today because in my opinion, those are one of the two best exercises for your biceps, your pecs, and your lats. And so I'll explain the difference, and you can read the descriptions that I've written. But a back lever is when your back is facing up towards the sky, and that works your biceps and your pecs. And a front lever is when your front of your body is facing up towards the sky and is horizontal. So this is a front lever. I'm lowering myself eccentrically using my lats, triceps a little bit. This is a back lever. My biceps are working isometrically so my elbow doesn't hyperextend and break. And then you're using your pecs and an anterior deltoid in the way they would use a front raise, like a dumbbell front raise. So here I'm going back and forth and doing back lever pulls. So the biceps are working so to hold that elbow angle, keep them straight so the pressure isn't on the joint but on the muscle. And these are front lever pulls. So you're using your lats eccentrically right now to lower yourself down, and then concentrically to pull yourself back up. So it's like a dumbbell pull over, or you could use a standing cable or rubber band pull over. So those two exercises are unique in that they develop your straight arm strength that is usually neglected in weight training, and just provides a really neat stimulus for your biceps and your lats. You have to use a supinated grip when you do the back levers in order to use your biceps. And I think it's excellent for the biceps, and the pecs are really unique stretch in that. And then the front levers for my lats, I think that's the best exercise I've found for developing width and size. You can do those exercises on a pull-up bar too. You don't necessarily need rings, but I think rings are a little better, especially for back levers. It's really hard to supinate your wrist that much with a pull-up bar, so you might need to pronate them. Otherwise, it could be uncomfortable. I bought my dad some gymnastics rings on Amazon for like the low $20. You can see the link in that description. He said they're pretty nice quality. Here's my diet food so I don't look so fat.